Hey plant lovers! Today we're talking about the gorgeous Syngonium Neon Robusta, a beauty that's super easy to care for. Syngonium Neon Robusta loves bright, indirect light. That's the key to keeping its pink color vibrant. Too little light, and the leaves may turn greenish or pale, but steer clear of harsh, direct sun. It can scorch those delicate leaves. A north or east-facing window is great, or a few feet back from a brighter south or west window. When it comes to water, Syngonium likes to stay evenly moist, but never soggy. Let the top inch of soil dry out between waterings. If the leaves droop, it's often a sign that it's thirsty, but they usually perk back up after a drink. In warmer months, you might water once a week. During the cooler months, reduce to every 10 to 14 days. As always, check the soil first. This plant thrives in well-draining, airy soil. A standard indoor potting mix works well, especially if you add perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage and airflow. Feed your Neon Robusta with a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. In fall and winter, you can skip it. Growth slows down and it doesn't need the boost. This pink beauty loves warmth and humidity. Keep it in a room between 60°F and 85°F, and avoid cold drafts or sudden temperature changes. It also appreciates extra humidity. Bathrooms and kitchens are great spots, or you can mist it regularly or set it on a pebble tray to keep the air around it more humid. Syngonium Neon Robusta grows pretty quickly, so you'll probably need to repot every 1-2 years. Look for roots poking out the drainage holes. That's your sign. Choose a pot that's one size up and has good drainage. Terracotta pots are a good choice to help prevent overwatering. This plant can get a bit wild, especially if it starts to vine. Prune to shape it however you like. Trimming leggy stems encourages bushier growth, and you can remove any yellow or damaged leaves as needed. Want more Neon Robusta? You can propagate it super easily through stem cuttings. Just snip a healthy stem with a node, that's where the leaf joins the stem, then place it in water or moist soil. Keep it warm and bright, and in a few weeks you'll see roots starting to grow. The most common issue? Overwatering. If the leaves turn yellow or the stems get mushy, the roots might be too wet. Make sure the pot drains well and that the soil isn't holding too much moisture. Crispy brown edges on the leaves can mean the air is too dry or you're underwatering. Try adding more humidity or adjusting your watering routine. If your plant starts getting leggy or losing color, it's probably not getting enough light. Move it closer to a window, but keep it out of direct sun. And if you see pests like spider mites or aphids, act quickly. Wipe down the leaves and use neem oil or insecticidal soap to keep the bugs away. And that's a wrap on caring for your Syngonium Neon Robusta. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.